Are you struggling with your vision? Is it hard to see all the blurry things around? Or are you just looking to improve your eyesight and prevent bad sight in a few years? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share 5 foods that can improve your vision. By watching this video, your perfect vision dream can come to life. But before that, please subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. So let's begin. Number 1. Carrots. Carrot and carrot juice is not only delicious, but it also contains carotene, the prototype of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps in boosting our eyesight, and its deficiency can prevent blindness and blurred vision. Number 2. Spinach. Green leafy vegetables can help you to improve your eyesight. It contains antioxidants which protect you from vision loss. It also contains vitamin A, B2, C, and K, which helps you to boost your vision and slow down age-related muscular damages. Number 3. Oranges. All citrus fruits are great when it comes to providing vitamin C. Oranges, like other citrus foods, contain vitamin C, which helps in reducing inflammation and speeding up the healing process. Number 4. Blueberries. Eating blueberries is not only tasty, but it can also enhance your eye performance. These little fellows are the richest source of antioxidants. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which helps in filtering out ultraviolet lights that can damage our eyes. Number 5. Fat fish. Fat fishes are great when it comes to preserving eyesight. They contain omega-3 that help preserve retina. It also slows down inflammatory effects and fights with the weakening eye condition. Although you can find a lot of vitamins and supplements in the market, we still recommend removing deficiency of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals by eating healthy food. Eat healthy and sustain your vision. What foods do you eat to improve your eyesight? Please share in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because the next video is also going to be interesting and healthy. See you in the next video!